Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today, we have a wonderful story. It is about a boy named Lucas. It is a secret letter. Who wrote it? What does it say? Let's find out together. It is Monday morning. Lucas is 9 years old. He goes to a small school in a small town.
Lucas likes school. He likes his friends. He likes his teacher, Mrs. Bell. But today is a normal day. Nothing special.
Lucas walks into the classroom. He sits at his desk. He opens his desk to get his notebook. And there, and inside the desk, he sees something new. A small, white envelope. I wonder who sent this. What is this? Good, no one is looking. Lucas opens the envelope carefully. Inside, there is a letter. The letter is old. The paper is yellow. Dear student, if you find this letter, you are special. Many years ago, a student sat at this same desk. That student had a dream. Now, it is your turn to dream too. Lucas holds the letter close. His heart feels warm. Hey, Lucas, over here. Look, Mia, I found this in my desk. Oh, Lucas, let me see. Wow, who left this here? I don't know. But it makes me feel happy and a little brave. What is your dream, Lucas? I want to be a scientist. I want to learn about space. That is a wonderful dream. After lunch. Mrs. Bell, I found this in my desk. Lucas, every year, one student finds a special letter in this classroom. It is a school tradition. Now it is your job. My job? Yes. Next year, you will write a new letter. You will hide it for another student to find. You will share your dream, just like the letter shared its dream with you. I understand. I will write a beautiful letter. I know you will. That night, Lucas thinks about his day. One small letter made him feel special. One small letter gave him courage. Now, he wants to give that same feeling to another student someday. Dreams are like letters. When we share them, they grow. And that is the story of Lucas and the secret letter. What is your dream? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for listening with us today. See you in the next story. Bye-bye, friends.